My name is Phoenix Nunley. I work at Analog Devices, located at analog.com, and this is our FBX feedback demo on Shark. So right now, the filters are uninitialized, and this is a feedback cancellation system. So as you can see, there's nothing there. I'm going to turn FBX on by enabling it, and then now I'm going to point the mic here, and it's going to feed back, and then as you can see, the feedback slowly disappeared, and we have all of these now filters initialized. So what this is doing is setting notches, and it's setting it dynamically. And this is how quickly it can end up canceling our feedback by ending up using basically adaptive filtering selection. So it takes the FFT, it looks for which filters are spiking with this energy, and then it applies attenuation to each of these filters. And you can do this in real time. So for instance, we move it here, it actually ends up starting to change it. So it's not just a fixed static thing, but actually an adaptive system.